Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your electric boiler acting up? Before you panic and call a pricey technician, let us walk through the first two crucial steps you can take yourself to diagnose and often solve the problem. It's easier than you think, and it could save you a lot of time and money. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about power. It might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how often the issue is simply a lack of electricity. Head over to your home's main electrical panel or fuse box. Look for the breaker switch. That's labeled for your boiler. Has it tripped? If it's in the middle or off position, flip it all the way off and then firmly back to the on position. Sometimes a simple power surge can trip it, and resetting it is all you need to do. If it trips again immediately, that's a sign of a bigger issue, and you should stop here and call a professional. But if it stays on, you might have just fixed your boiler in under a minute. Okay, if the breaker wasn't the issue, step 2 is to check the boiler's internal safety features. Most electric boilers have a high-limit thermal cutout switch. This is a safety device that shuts the boiler down if it overheats. To find it, you need to remove the boiler's front cover. Always make sure the power is completely off at the breaker before you do this. Safety first, always. Look for a small button, often red, labeled reset, or something similar. It might be tiny, so look closely. Firmly press this button. If you hear a click, that means it had tripped and you've just reset it. This can happen if there's an airlock in the system or low water pressure, causing the unit to get too hot. After you've checked the breaker and pressed the reset button, you can safely put the cover back on, turn the power back on at the fuse box, and see if your boiler springs back to life. These two simple steps solve the majority of common electric boiler problems. If it's still not working, it might be time to call in the experts, but at least you've covered the basics. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Taking a moment to check these simple things can be a real game changer. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.